Hey yo, what is up YouTube? Today we are downloading and testing the brand new Delta Executor Mobile 2026 update for both Android and iOS. This is the tool players are using to run Roblox script straight on their phone with better performance, more stability and newer features. I will show you how to grab it, install it and use it, so stick around and follow along. In order to get started, open up your Safari or Chrome browser, any which you are using frequently, and go to the address bar over here and type this website, which is the Executor. Okay, so guys, this is the website and make sure you are spelling it right. Okay, the Executor, and this is the website. As you can see here, make sure you are going to the right website and tap on the iOS download button over here and confirm it. As you can see here, progress is being started and reaching to the 50% almost, and that's very fast actually. Okay, now, and the verification now button has been prompted since it detected the bot behavior. Let me tap on verify now button over here. Okay, that's what verification page looks like. Get the Delta Executor mobile by completing two tasks from the list below. That's actually very easy, guys. All you need to do is first install the two apps from the given list here and install and sign up for there and run it for 30 seconds, and all you are done here, and you will get download the Delta Executor on your iOS or Android device. In this case, if you jump into this page, you will see there is tutorial is been given, unlock instruction, download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds and mod casino, and it says the same. Follow at the easy instruction on next page to unlock your points. Note that this follow new users only. Okay, that's how you can get that. Okay, let me minimize it and show you the Delta Executor preview over here. Okay, let me open up the blocks fruit again. Okay, server is taking some time, it seems. Okay, here. Okay, so as you can see, I have downloaded the Delta Executor on my phone, and the key is being copied already after the process has been completed. Okay, let me paste over here and continue. So I have gotten the key for free 100% without any hectic part. Let me run the pirates mode, and here you see I have gotten the version of Delta Executor and gotten some scripts, auto farm script and so many things, and this is the version of Delta Executor. Here you see. Okay, here you search for the scripts, different kind of scripts you need, and that's the setting part, and here's the console, and that's the Delta Executor for you guys. Enjoy the tutorial and don't forget to share among your friends who needed it. Thanks for watching, guys.